Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3.
All right, day 2. Hopefully we're able to run. Yesterday's got cut short due to an accident that made the time run longer. But we're heading up to register right now for Taste of Racing. So what's the plan for today? Coming out there with us or no?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
I'll be the rabbit this time.
Ooh!
I'm borrowing a Ninja 1000.
No, that would be cool.
It's actually the only 1000 I've never ridden, so I'm excited.
Yeah. So I don't know if I'll be able to tow or be able to stay in your tow at that pace. So I'll have to find another control rider.
We'll just have fun. Show him around a little bit.
Yeah. It's funny though, because as soon as I was like following behind you, like then I got more confident because I was,
that's how it works.
You know.
So help him out, do the same thing.
Yeah.
So
leading isn't usually my strongest quality.
You know the way better than he does though.
Yeah.
But I think this time we're gonna have a big turnout again.
Yeah.
So we'll do some really slow laps at first.
Okay.
Just to make sure everybody gets the bearings. So our general rule is 6 feet.
Yeah.
If you want to follow somebody behind a little bit closer, that's okay, especially somebody you trust.
Yeah.
But side to side, you always want to be at least 6 feet.
Okay.
I hate it when people buzz me close
get
by.
in and
It's
you're
just
like,
no
you can reach out with an elbow and touch them, you know?
I mean, some of the racers do that and I think it's funny when they do that to me. I'm like, all right, I trust you, but it's not funny. Anyway.
Yeah.
I'll be back. All right.
Where's your new bike there, Alex? Woo!
It's actually clean today.
Dude, it's shiny. Keeping a white bike clean is hard.
Yesterday, I rode from I went from Tacoma to Walla Walla and back in 2 days. For 700 miles. When I came to the track yesterday, bugs. That's all it was.
Yeah, bugs. Everywhere.
Everywhere.
What's going on here?
That's your standard beam, that's your high beam. So it's a projection bulb. It shoots really far out.
Yeah. That is freaking cool.
But,
dude, what happened with the CF Moto? I never heard the story.
Well, it kind of, sort of fell over at slow speed. It was like 7 or 8 mile an hour.
Yeah.
Picked it back up, and it didn't really run after that well, so it kind of got an insurance claim on it.
We got a knock-knock. All right, I'll make sure not to put that in there.
No, it's all good. It got an insurance claim legally. It was, I mean, from the accident, but
yeah,
the bike was already kind of crappy. So, the bike's only worth like.
Dude, you rode the shit out of that thing.
I put 14,000 miles. So, a bike that has 2,400 miles or 24,000 miles isn't worth anything.
Right.
So they're gonna be like, we're not gonna insure it because there's no point. It's not worth anything, you know.
Right. Yeah.
So it's sold at auction for $500.
Dude.
And the bike technically would have ran. You just needed some clutch fixing. I mean, I could have fixed it, but.
I mean, you were time. It was time. I mean, you rode the shit out of that bike.
How many miles do you think I put on this in 2 months?
Oh no, you just said you went out to Walla Walla, so I'm assuming close to about 3,000.
7,800.
Dude,
it's been to Montana, Idaho, Oregon, California, back to Walla Walla and back. I mean,
you've been putting some miles on it.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like, don't
look at the rear?
The rear's a little bit worse after the 700 of yesterday.
Yeah.
So
you still got grip on the sides. That's where it counts, right?
Yeah, it's fine. I'm doing a track day on it tomorrow, so.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. Dude, I like it. This thing is clean.
Yeah. I got a low mileage bike. I don't really know why.
Because you wanted to be the one to put all the miles on it. At least you know when you put the miles on. Is that gum? That is gum. That gum right there.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. So something I pulled from the thing. Yeah.
Woo! Man. Dude, I'm proud of you. I'm happy for you, dude. This is freaking cool.
That was a brand new rear when I bought it. Brand new.
Brand new? These what are these? The Michelin Battle? Road 5s?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good, man. Yeah. This is cool.
It's a slight bit faster than the last bike.
Just a little bit.
Just a little inkling faster.
Nice.
In third gear.
In third gear. All right. We're just gonna go over here to the right side.
I bought tape to.
Thanks, Nate.
I bought tape for these.
Probably should have just gone and covered them, but because he was saying don't look at your mirrors, keep your eyes forward all the time.
Yeah.
That's one of the things I kept doing when I was on the track last time was I was looking in my mirrors to see if there was anybody coming up on my inside or on my outside. All right, Paul's setting the pace this time.
Yep.
Remember this first lap, keep it chill.
Yeah. That was chill.
That is chill.
Oh shit. Oh crap.
You all right?
You're gonna go where you look, Mike. Come on. Have we done this before? You're too tight, Mike. You're too tight. Ooh.
Mike, you still there? Not really.
Just trying to stay behind him.
Help him out, do the same thing. So
Leading isn't usually my strongest quality.
Let her go, let her go, bring her in, let her go, let her go. And all this.
What? Mike, where are you?
I think I did that wrong.
Hey, Mike, I hear ya. Where are you at?
Okay, I did it wrong.
Let's go, buddy. Let's go.
Oh shit.
It's still racing, maybe.
Oh, okay. All right, that's a thing. That happens.
Go down? Yeah. Just right there. You have motorcycles?
Let's go.
Let's go. Mike, what's Mike doing?
I slowed down to let it go past me, and then my front tire went off track into the grass. I kept her upright and got back on, but whew,
A little sketch for you.
that was a bit much for me.
Mike, are you still on track? All right.
All right, so we finished up our lap or our session with TOR. We're already packed up. Mike and his family had to run home. Mike ended up going off track a little bit. I went off track a little bit. And yeah, it's just been a really fun weekend of racing, being out here at the track. I learned a lot. Found out that I don't know anything. And next season, we're going to try our hardest to do more track days, like full days, multiple sessions. If that's content that you guys want to see, make sure to leave it in the comments. All right? Right now, we're just kind of hunting and pecking, trying to find things that are interesting, that we enjoy doing, that we want to share with you. And if you don't tell us in the comments, then we don't know. We can tell a little bit through analytics and views, but overall, drop it down in the comments. And we've also started a Patreon for those who want to be like invested in the channel. Now, it's going to be primarily all the same content that comes out on YouTube, except for it's going to come out earlier. There will be more behind the scenes. Plus, you get to have more input on projects that we're doing and whatnot by being able to message us directly through Patreon. But sure to follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok, hit subscribe, like, comment, all of that stuff, because about 98% of the people who watch our channel are not subscribed, and we need all that support that we can get. But from Pacific Raceways, we'll see you on the next ride.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you.